Hello and welcome to this video. If you're starting your project management journey, you are actually in the right place. But before we dive deeper into what project management is, we need to ask one simple but powerful question. What exactly is a project? Now, this concept has stayed consistent for decades now across industries, platforms, and global standards. And once you truly do understand this, everything else in project management will become much easier to understand. So, according to PMBOK guide, a project is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Now, this sounds really very simple, isn't it? But every word here matters. So, instead of memorizing it, we will actually break it down and understand what it really means. First, project is temporary. That means it will always have a begin and an end. For an example, building a website might take 3 months. That's a project. But activities like customer support, IT maintenance, or sales, those never really stops. These are called operations. So remember this simple rule. If something ends, it's a project, but if something continues indefinitely, it's operations. So we understood what a project is, but the bigger question is, what does project create? A project can create many things. A project may create a product, it may create a service, or it may create a result, but it will always be something unique. A company might build a brand new smartphone, or it may design a new service offering for its customer, or it may just run a research study to test out its theory. Another important concept is something called progressive elaboration. This simply means that at the beginning, you do not know everything, but as the project goes on, your estimates will become much more accurate, your plans are clearer, and your decisions will be much more smarter. So, projects do not start perfect, they evolve. So now let's quickly wrap this up and put everything together. A project is always temporary. It will have a begin and a clear end. It exists to create something unique that can be a product, service, or a result. It is also important to remember projects are different from operations, which are continuous and ongoing in nature. And finally, projects follow something called progressive evaluation, meaning things become more clearer as you move forward in the project. Now, if you understand these 4 points well, you've already built a very strong foundation in project management. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you soon in next video.